Hello, this is Nick with Nick's Computer Fix, and here's a video of my friend Joe unboxing his brand new ASUS laptop. It's an Intel i5-1334 processor. The model number is X1504V. Okay, let's watch Joe do some unboxing here. But first, be sure to click on that subscribe button. It would be greatly appreciated.
Here?
Yep. Pull it up to an angle. There we go. Alright, very good. Alright, go about unboxing, sir.
Knife or something, maybe.
Cool, fella. You got a knife?
Yeah, this is much nicer than mine.
Oh, you left it on for you.
No, it's good for you.
Yeah.
Take your transformer out of the side box there.
No, it's a charger, not a transformer.
It is a transformer. Technically, it's a transformer.
We're getting technical now.
That's it. It's empty?
Looks so.
Alright. Nothing else on the side? Okay. Awesome. Okay, let's take a quick look at the ports on this laptop. On the left hand side we have a single USB port 2.0, so it's the lower speed USB port. And then if we turn it around and look on the right hand side, we have 6 ports. From left to right we have a audio port, we have a USB-C port, and we have 2 3.1 Gen 3 ports, and then we have an HDMI port, and then we have a charging port. And that's pretty good. They're nice and thin, and I like the way they look. Now if we flip the laptop over, on the bottom we have stereo speakers, one on the left, one on the right, and then we have multiple numbers of air vents to help keep this laptop cool while it's running. And then if we zoom in on the label on the bottom of the laptop, you can see it says ASUS Vivobook 15, and the model number is X1504V-NJ1622WSM. And that is one hell of a long model number. Alright, let's go ahead and take a close-up look here on this laptop as we open it up. And we can zoom in and you can see this is a Intel Core i5, and it happens to be a 1334u. It has a nice touchpad and it has a nice keyboard. Also, by the way, the keyboard does light up. And this laptop also comes with a webcam with a privacy shield, and it's a 720p, by the way. And let's go ahead and close this and look at what else we got here, Joe.
Can you take it out of the bag?
Yeah.
It's pretty nice, man.
It looks nice.
Yeah.
Awesome. Alright, nice little case. When Joe bought this laptop, they also included a backpack laptop carrying case, so it came along with it for free, and that was pretty cool, and it seems to be a pretty nice case. Joe seems to like it. Alright, I think that's about the end of this video. I would like to say thank you to Joe at this time for allowing me to video his unboxing of his new laptop and his case here. Alright, thank you, Joe. What do you think about your new laptop, sir? Thumbs up. Alright, awesome. Have a great day, Joe. Okay, thanks for watching, and be sure to click on that subscribe button. It would be greatly appreciated.